Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Mecodify on an external server that is a cloud service. It's either possible to do it on DigitalOcean, for example, or on OWS as well. So let us begin. First and foremost, this is the page where you start. This is the GitHub repo of Mecodify. And over here, you'll find the information on how to install. So under installation, there's a special page that you can click on and get to. And over here, you'll actually identify the particular steps that you need to follow. Notice that if you have your own server, then you have these sorts of steps that you can take. But if you're an absolute novice and new beginner to setting up your server, so it might be a better idea to start with an already existing predefined service that you can install. And there's a special guide for that. This is it. You start over here. Then you click this guide. And then here you begin to look into the particular steps. So here are the steps that you need to follow. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do it. This first part is how to do it on DigitalOcean, and the next part I will show you how to do it on Lightsail. So let us begin. The first thing you need to verify is that you already have a bearer token. The Twitter bearer token is possible to get from the APIs that exist for Twitter, and I'll show you how that is done. There's also some sort of tutorial here, but in my account I already have obtained an API license, and in developer.twitter.com usually can sign up and apply. But in my case, since I applied, I won't go through the full process. I'll just go to the page. Let's assume that you already applied and you have already obtained the license for your app. So in order for you to obtain the token, the bearer token, you just go to the app. In my case, this is the app's name, and it's the registered academic app that I have. And if I click on the name of the project app, here you notice there's something called key and tokens. So if you click on that, you already have obtained the bearer token, so it already has been recorded. But if you want it again, so you simply can regenerate. In my case, I won't regenerate. But you click on regenerate and it will reveal to you the bearer token, which is a long string. That is the one that you should keep in memory. You can copy that, paste it somewhere, and keep that in memory. So that's the main step towards beginning to install. Once you have this, then the rest is rather easy. In the next section, I'll move on to explain to you how you can use this as part of your installation for Mecodify.